James Ken dan Barbie Agostini, pemilik channel Let's Get Magnetic menemukan harta karun di sungai. 100.000 US dollar. Tak terbayangkan. Lantas, bagaimana mereka bisa menemukan uang sebanyak itu? Siapa pemilik koper dengan uang sebanyak itu di dalamnya? This is the true story of it. Pasangan suami istri ini selalu mengupload daily vlog mereka memancing dengan magnet di channel YouTube mereka. Channel yang dibuat sejak 19 Juni 2023 ini telah mendapat 5.000 subscribers dan telah ditonton sebanyak 1,5 juta kali. Mereka bisa disebut paling beruntung se-2024. Bagaimana tidak mereka sendiri telah menemukan 100.000 US dollar atau setara dengan 1.627.680.000 rupiah. Fantastik! Sepasang suami istri ini mengunjungi Flushing Meadows Corona Park di Queens Jumat lalu. Mereka melemparkan tali pancing magnetik mereka ke sungai dan mengeluarkan isi brankas tersebut. Setelah membukanya, pasangan itu menemukan kumpulan uang kertas 100 dolar yang rusak karena air yang berjumlah sekitar 100.000 US dollar. Meskipun ini bukan pertama kalinya pasangan ini mendapatkan brankas, mereka belum pernah menemukan brankas yang berisi harta karun. Mereka menghubungi Departemen Kepolisian New York untuk melaporkan penemuan mereka kalau brankas tersebut merupakan bagian dari aktivitas ilegal. James Ken memamerkan uang yang ditemukan di dalam brankas yang ditemukan saat memancing dengan magnet.
On their YouTube channel called Let's Get Magnetic, showcasing an array of finds, from handguns to grenades.
We found one grenade in Sheepshead Bay, Brooklyn. We found one across from the United Nations building in Gantry Plaza State Park. Firearms all over the entire 5 bar.
Discovery of a lifetime. The two spent Friday afternoon magnet fishing at Corona Park's Meadow Lake. After about 45 minutes of throwing the magnet back and forth into the water, Kane felt a heavy tug and managed to haul up an old, rusted safe from the murky depths. It wasn't the first time they found an old safe, and they assumed there would be nothing inside, which they were used to finding.
It looked sealed, but I saw a hole in the bottom, so I started banging it on the floor, and I thought there was baggies in there where you would put like change or something like that.
Told her there were stacks of dollar bills inside.
It's like, no, it's not.
The couple estimates that the stacks of cash, which were covered in sludge, are worth up to $100,000. They contacted NYPD, who told them they could keep the money since there was no serial number on the safe and no way to identify the owner. They're now planning to take the deteriorated money to the Bureau of Engraving and Printing in Washington, D.C. to start the process of currency redemption. With their newfound wealth, the two are hoping to fulfill a lifelong dream of buying a home for their family of 5 out of New York City.
Polisi New York sendiri atau NYPD memberitahu bahwa mereka tidak bisa ditangkap atas brankas itu. Polisi mengizinkan Kane dan Agostini menyimpan uang itu, meski mereka berhasil melakukan tangkapan besar-besaran dengan magnet dan tali. Pasangan ini menghadapi jalan panjang sebelum bisa mendapatkan keuntungan. Uang akan semakin rusak jika disentuh, kata Agostini mengenai uang kertas yang tergenang air. Langkah mereka selanjutnya, kata mereka, adalah membawa uang yang hancur tersebut ke Departemen Keuangan di Washington, D.C., di mana mereka yakin uang tersebut dapat direkonstruksi. Kane dan Agostini menjadi tertarik memancing dengan magnet selama COVID-19 dan membeli peralatan pertama mereka pada tahun 2023. Mereka berpikir bahwa melalui memancing dengan magnet, Anda bisa menjadi kaya dan sekaligus membersihkan lingkungan. Beberapa temuan mereka sebelumnya termasuk senjata api, granat, sepeda motor yang utuh dan drone.
What's going on? Oh, he's going in the back. It was found in this little thing right here. Yes, I don't know if there's one in there, but it's beautiful, dude. I actually did, I wiped it off to see what company it was because I get so excited when I find them, so I hope I didn't ruin anything, but I also might have touched it with my hand. But I'm not a criminal, you can investigate whatever you want. Dude, is there, I asked, you heard me asking the other guy before, is there anyone that could work with me when I come down? Because I'm going to find more. I guarantee it here, dude. Guarantee it. That shotgun,
If we had enough officers to do
a
it.
community officer, just come with me, dude. I swear, they're everywhere here. Not that I know. You know? I mean, obviously they investigate everything. I'm not a criminal, so.
Alright, send me,
Thank you. I apologize if I waste your time
No, it's
again,
all good.
but
No, you never wasted our time.
did you guys take a look at the shotgun and the other USP we
I
found?
just walked in, so
Crazy.
I didn't see it.
Crazy.
The other one we have a specialized unit. They're coming in now. They're gonna make this one safe, and then they're gonna do
Alright,
the other
cool.
with the shotgun.
Cool. Now that I have 4 of you guys here, can I ask if we found other things like maybe just the magazine or a few bullets or something like that? Do you have to call that in? Can I keep things like that? Because we've had other cops that say, yeah, you can keep bullets you find.
Yeah, they said
Yeah, you can keep
Magazines or bullets, you can always call us and we'll do what we gotta do. You know what I'm saying?
All right.
So anything gun oriented, call us.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like physical gun.
Yeah, if
Like
it's a
we have
magazine.
found bullets here that are from like the
Obviously,
30s, dude.
firearms,
Old.
magazines, ammunition, stuff like that. Always call us. Absolutely.
What if it's like, sometimes we'll find like parts of a gun.
Like parts, like the
Yeah,
slide, the
yeah,
barrel,
same
all that.
deal,
So
same
it's
deal.
gun related, anything that's gun related,
Yeah.
whether it's a chamber, anything.
I only ask because if you guys research magnet fishing, people put it all on their walls and shit. It's sad because I know it probably killed somebody or something like that, but there is like a thing. I guess just New York City, you can't collect it, you know what I mean? Because everyone's killing everyone over here, so.
Nah, bagaimana menurut kalian? Kira-kira apa yang bisa dibeli dengan 100.000 US dollar? Tuliskan komentar kalian di bawah. Demikianlah video kali ini, semoga bisa bermanfaat. Insya Allah kita jumpa lagi di video berikutnya.